Hello. Today we are going to be start Python. Python. Python is a programming language. It is a open source and it's free software. Actually, when you are going to be interacting with any person, we require one knowledge. Any language that we can communicate or we can tell something to other person, we need one language. Similarly, to interact with the system, we need a language. So here C is the mother of all programming language. We can say C is the mother of all programming languages. This C, once if you know the C, we can learn other languages also, like C++, Java, any other languages. C is the mother of all programming language. Once the C learned any person, it is easy to learn other language. But a language that without knowing the C also we can learn. That easy, and it is also a free source. Free source means we can download directly from the Google. And the features of Python. Features of Python. It is a high level language. High level language means generally to know or to tell anything, we use one language. Similarly, to tell anything or to pass any queries or any request if you are sending to the system should understand that. To understand that, system can understand only zeros and ones. But human being doesn't know how to write a program in machine level language. That means machine level language we are going to be written in zeros and ones. But normally any language whenever you are developing, each language will have a compiler. The compiler takes responsibility to convert the complete program into zeros and ones. So here three types of languages are there, that is machine level language, higher level, middle level language and higher level language. Machine level language completely we will write in zeros and ones. Middle level language we will use some mnemonics, that is reserve words, to write the program, whereas high level language will write completely in English language. The software will take care to convert that higher level language. That means whatever we will write in a normal English language, that it converts into machine level language and it gives the output as usual. So it is a higher level language. Python is a higher level language. Next is, it is a simple and easy language. Simple and easy language. Instead of writing a lengthy code in our Python, we will write simple. Suppose if to write or to add two numbers in C, normally we will use 8 to 10 lines of code. But here we will use very less code. Within a single line, it is not a single line, a small expression, it will give the addition of two numbers, and it's very easy to write also. It also supports GUI, that is graphical user interface, and it is a case sensitive. Case sensitive means if suppose if you have used a variable, that is name, we are using name as a small letters, the complete throughout the program we need to use the same letter as small letters only. We should not write in between any capital letters. That is a case sensitive. And next is it is a platform independent. It is a platform independent. Platform independent means, suppose one program if you have written in Windows operating system, the same program we can run in Unix, Linux or Mac or any other platform also. No need to make any changes. And here the most important feature of Python is it is a normally all the programs we will compile the program, but here there is a no compilation and linking is also not there. That means normally suppose you take C only, C program, once if you have written, first we need to compile that. Compiling is nothing but converting our program into exe file. Exe file means machine understandable language. That means zeros and ones. That exe file we are going to be linked to our exe executable file. It is going to be connected to get the result. So, but here it is not required all that. Directly we'll execute our program. Next feature is it is a object oriented program. It is a object oriented programming. That means it's a OOPS concepts. It supports OOPS concepts. And already I have told you that we will write very fewer line codes. Line codes compared to your C. That means very less code we will write in Python. And no type declaration is there. No type declaration. Type declaration means suppose if you are using any integer. In C we need to declare first only. But in Python we don't require to declare. For example, I'll give you one example here. Int a we will declare in int a is equal to 2 we need to declare. So a variable is going to be taking int value. Int, that is integer value it will take. But in Python, directly we can write a is equal to 3, a is equal to 5. No need to declare a as a int. The compiler understood that this a as took the value of integer. These are some features of Python. And come to applications. What are the applications we can do using the Python? We can develop web development applications. Web development application we can develop, and UI application, that is graphical user interface applications also we can develop. Business applications, that is e-commerce, like that applications also you can, business applications also you can develop. Next is gaming applications also you can develop. Games and 3D graphics applications we can develop. And you can develop the applications that accessing the database. The application which mostly depends on the database, that type of applications also we can do. And we can develop the desktop applications. Desktop applications means in our system we will have the calculator, like that. So on the system only we can use such type of applications also we can develop. Now, why we need to learn this Python? What is the most important thing? Why we need to learn this? Once if you have learned the Python, we can develop or we can learn further like machine learning we can do, AI we can do, we can implement AI applications also. Like that means this Python is the base. It is a very flexible language we can say, and further we can do many things once if you know the Python. This Python we can learn without any previous programming language knowledge. Without the programming language we can learn, so it is very easy. This Python was developed by Rudy van Rustum in 1989 only. They have developed this Python, but in 1991 officially they have declared this Python. That is officially it has declared 1991 by NRI people. Now this is about a brief introduction about Python. Now, how to install this Python in our system? Go to Google, write down here Python download for Windows, because my system is Windows. So just click on this download Python and click on download. Once if it is downloaded, click on open and click install next. So in our system it is going to be installed. The current version is going to be installed. So here just say next. Here you see the back automatically documentation, pip, pip, ideal and testing suites. All these automatically it is going to be installed along with our Python software. So here creating a shortcuts for installation, adding Python environmental variable also it is going to be. That means once the Python has been installed, we need to set the path. But here automatically the variable is also set when you are going to be installing. Click on install.